Towers Resort on board Wicker Man. This roller coaster is manufactured by Great Coasters International and opened here at Alton Towers back in 2018. My favourite row on Wicker Man is right down here at the back. And you tend to find with wooden roller coasters and a lot of coasters in general that being down on the back row is certainly the place to be. So come and join me as we head around this ride. And what really makes Wicker Man is the fact that it hasn't just got a big drop at the start and then kind of peters out. With this ride, you go down a drop, you back up again, you then kind of have the twisted S drop on here as well. So that's what I really like about the layout of this ride. It kind of keeps the excitement and it's very unexpected until the end, of course, on this. So yeah, looking forward to taking you all along here so you can see my reactions on Wicker Man. Probably one of the most ridden wooden coaster anywhere in the world, this, with it being here at my home park, Alton Towers. And here we go, back row, it's Wicker Man. Woo! Woo! On a Wicker Man out the Alton Towers Resort, a great wooden coaster. Woo! And that leaves me with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. Bye everyone.